Mama wakwaba meeting ede ajoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell on so for more news. Ebusuafo eye Mr Beautiful a otwasini e wo Ghana hanom titiri pa wo de wani echirem e wo Kumasi a sinitwafo a wato wondin kuma wudu no saa sini no odi mutinti manye pa e wo Ghana hanom ewa brana sinitwa ejina ne nanso no na Mr Beautiful ena nano akoyi ne ka Ghana fo nso omo akekomo adwen ede a kire na anya asem keto akora edenka ena Mr Beautiful nano akoyi na enam so Ghana fo bi omo akekomo adwen ede a kire no eka Mr Beautiful nano akoyi na ne se ose eye Kumawood Stars anase celebrities omo Ghana ha omo twasini at 2016 omo ye campaign dema oman penny His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo no obi ti se Ejako Matilda Asare ena ehon keka ho no se nkrofo nyina wonsi wontrase ensese wonampa wo ma wontri so because eniwu aka omo so munim ade a wo frɛ no eniwu nko ade a wonama wonsi wontrase a kopim se bebe wo bekɔ no obedu na Mr Beautiful ede ensem we betu dwa no e na Ghana fu bi nso se Mr Beautiful ede na hawo bibia yo okay wadwe na sisi so wo e na Ejako e na Matilda mo ye campaign wo ye campaign de ma NDC amayoku no e na Matilda mo nso e ye campaign de ma NPP amayoku no mo se nkrofo mienu hwan na konama onsiri trase wan kase me se woni maniwu video na waye da internet ne so no delete ansa na womba abenyi abehu anya se ye nugu ase kese kra because NDC party na odi achi no a useless party na busuafo men kasa enche ne yentie ensem a Mr Beautiful ede etu dwa ne yemetie ensem a Ghana fo bi nso aka ede akire no
bibi be one bibi bottom one but I don't think the president mama or a heartless there's some of them. When you're heartless, like some of them. No.
Now you've seen more of your colleagues, entertainers. So, on my journey in this, I'm more saying, who say, but now more people have come. Is it a sign, say, 2024, you get more of your people to come into the camp of NDC and then campaign for His Excellency Mahama?
Zion, I am you're ungrateful. Bibinye wa nipa bibinyi oya ne ye wo de nunu areaze na obobo na abado. I'm the trailblazer. I'm Mzabay. Okay, no one you know obi ape obi anya bi obeye but no obi asre de obi yinim. But I came out 2012 openly because na minyima owo President Mahama ne mu senka amenyi Ejako na calibos num no onyi Matilda Asare ma nka ba na na meguma ya fe because many megwase. You know why? Many megwase because I'm supporting His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Yenya new airport, yenya new harbour, kwan, schools are schools, hospitals are hospitals. So many things that you can count. But I want to support Akufo-Addo mobile president. One chillam adekura waye, one chillam. That is why as I'm in one and come na mananka mugumaya fe. Egu veil obi humanyi me dey equal Islam ye won kofu bi wo hye atalbwan when you want. That is how I'm expecting Ejako na Matilda Asare and we obananto on the street of the state because one fair but I remember here no or giving them the edge. Okay, I went through a lot too. Felix, you Zion one can say aware what I went through. Okay, but no nyame yo no home how are no home here my fans they are going to miss me because we enjoy me a lot. I want to know him yo but nyame mezi oh Zion say sabi on ye mama and come back to school of this kind of school no but now my fans na mo dwene won but I on no edge no Ejako na ne ada nkrofo Mugizi Nana Addo Dankwa wa campaigning mahwan 2012 yeah 2016 yeah ma wotum wedunweni okay so the microphone most of the microphone asisi awa ba NDC, most of them are disappointed voters
of NPP.
Why are you disappointed in them? What voting man? Bigger quiz count. Iya bisan. Kada me na mekan. Bigger quiz. No kan. When most of them no work kan. But one kwe ama one. Inti when we no, baby a beautiful one. E one way papa. Inti me nyina no yen run it there because look at yen industry the way President Kufuor and the government what say industry you know. Him sense what say na. Okay. President Kufuor and the government ama TV license than any other government. Okay. One my TV license na one for rules and regulations.
Ebusuafo ene ochiame a onim na sebkan ose nana ene wasuma anase nkrofo mo ahia mo asuma ene na ensemwe ena Mr Beautiful etumi ahwenyame anim enya kukuduru ede atodwa na wo Mr Beautiful wo company mo man pani dada John Dramani Mahama 2016 ayeda dum so mu wo company mo man pani dada John Dramani Mahama from 2012 eba abapim 2016 ayeda dum so mu dum so ekun innocent people destroy businesses collapse companies you know osi den eja ko mu si won trase na wo na ma wo wutiri so nye wani yentie ensama Ghana fu bi so aka ede ache Mr Beautiful we queen and our chese massa be ashamed of yourself, you that is fighting for your face on a poster and someone that built a house. Shame, please delete the video before your children see it. You are a shame to movie industry who didn't do all you mentioned. Shame. Comment in the motor and one man and so you can near what I can. When so edu and what I say. This guy has no vision. Why Mahama again? See this man. Wonders will never end. What at all can Mahama offer Ghanaians? I quite remember we couldn't watch your movies back in Mahama's era because of Dumso, and you are here bragging about Mahama and you are Kasana Seba. When so you Rasini and what you say, you support Mahama because you know the benefits that you get from it. Leave others alone to decide who to support. You can't decide for anybody. And when so Ben and not just say, in fact, this man, Mr. Beautiful, is very eloquent. You Ben, yati why? Why? When so an entry and not just say, Abuaba, Mr. Beautiful. You thought Kumawood shall stay forever, so you didn't invest your money. Now you are here envy ejako. Kraman, asebo. When so asamwa not to say, did you bow down your head in shame when you campaigned for JM and he lost in 2016 and 2020? Those movie actors supporting NPP are far better than you people supporting NDC, whether in opposition or not. And I went so Solomon and not just a massa. Stop what you are talking about because of your stomach. NPP is better than NDC. Go and find work and stop NDC. In some Ghana for share Mr. Beautiful name. Say bra, we be say bla. The diamidi musrow. Park na kwot na chain. Na NDC for day. One baby o, cause ye hu bi da. Ye hu de obetimi aye. Nti se wa ko support NDC. Na sanko ye ma wa baby fa. Ana say mbra movie industry ni gina ne nanso no wentimi aye savings. Uni say movie no be better now so forever. Na onye sika di ye nsem hu. In the movie industry na collapse. The movie industry is a collapse every time o man penida da John Dramani Mahama ya president dum so in your light in movie. YouTube crowd nya light in charge of phone wako ho. Into what are you talking about? And in some when Ghana fubi to me assure mo akumem. Eyi omu yem. And omu adwimi na catch Mr. Beautiful say bra. Bebitna. The Jacko and Matilda and other Kumawood celebrities and as a stars or more campaign demand NPP Mayokono, they are far better than you. And some when a Ghana for the Aka and the actual Mr. Beautiful, our brother, and some way a better brother.